Okay, the question is, when this given expression is divided by x minus 3, in fact, x minus 3 is a factor. So we have to find a in terms of b. You must see that there are two unknowns in this equation over here, expression over here. To find these two unknowns, you must have two different kinds of information so that you can have two equations and then you solve them simultaneously. Now, we are just given one information here that x minus 3 is a factor. So he's not asking us to find the values of a and b. He's just saying that find a in terms of b, okay? So you must understand that what is the question about. So when x minus 3 is a factor, the first thing that we can write over here, that f of 3 that is equal to 0. Okay? If x minus 3 is a factor, then f of 3 has to be equal to 0. So I'm going to put 3 here. This is 27 plus 9a plus 3b minus 30, and that is going to be equal to 0. So this is 9a plus 3b, that is equal to 3. And this is going to be 9a, that is 3 minus 3b. So when it says a in terms of b, so that means a should be the subject here. So this is a going to be 1 over 9 into, I can take a 3 common from here. This is 1 minus b. So finally the answer is a equal to 1 over 3 into 1 minus b. Yes, did you get that, beta?
Yes,
Any
thank
question?
you.
Sir, can you explain question number 5 from exercise 1E as well?
Question number 5. Okay, just give me a minute here. Okay. Now the question says, when like we have this polynomial 2x cubed minus x squared plus ax plus b, and we're given that this a 2x squared plus x minus 1 is a factor. Now, having told you guys that remainder and factor theorem only work with the linear expressions. Now, what the hell? We have this quadratic expression here. So how to do that? Okay, now that is a question. Now, does anyone have the answer to this question or knows how to do this question?
Sir,
Yes.
maybe we can
Solve
the quadratic
Solve
equation.
using long division.
Long division. There are two unknowns here, beta, a and b.
सर तो उनको हम quadratic को solve कर देंगे और जो 2x की values आएंगी उससे हम simultaneous equation बना सकते हैं.
Exactly, beta. Look at this, beta. Now, suppose if you know that how to determine if a number is divisible by 2. You know that if a number, its last digit is even, so that is divisible by 2. And you know that how to determine if a number is divisible by 3. How many of you know that how to determine if a number is divisible by 3?
If you add all of its numbers,
Yeah,
then that
you
number will
add
be
up
divisible
all
by
the digits, and if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, that means okay, the number is divisible by 3. Now, someone gives you a number, let's say this number is 5,300 and let's say 53,000 and इसको कर लेते हैं हम लोग एक सेकेंड इसको कर लेते हैं 15,000 इफ सकती कितना हो गया 45,000 this is 9 and 3 12. Okay, now suppose we have 45,300 and the question is if this number is divisible by 6. Now you can say like your teacher is cheating with you. He has taught you how to determine if a number is divisible by 2 and how to determine if a number has a factor 3. But he's asking you that if a given number is divisible by 6. So what you will do that you have to act smartly here. You can break it up into 3 times 2. So if this number is divisible by both 3 and 2, that would mean that yes, this can have 6 as a factor. What do you say, bacho?
yes.
Anna? Okay, so as you guys have suggested that we need to factorize this. So I'll be doing that middle term breaking here, okay? So this is 2x into x plus 1 minus into x plus 1. So we have 2x minus 1 into x plus 1. So now this should be manageable for you. Now that means 2x minus 1 and x plus 1, they are both the factors of this. So you can say that, yes, f of minus 1 will be 0 and f of half will be 0. What do you say, बच्चों? Yes? क्यों भाई?
Yes, sir.
This is minus 2 minus 1 minus a plus b equal to 0. So your a is equal to b minus 3. That is the first equation. You put your half here. This is 2 into 1 over 8 minus 1 over 4 plus a over 2 plus b, that is equal to 0. You can simplify this to 4s are. Let's multiply the whole equation by 4. So we should be getting 1 minus 1 plus 2a plus 4b, that is equal to 0. So we have a equal to minus 2b. That is your second equation. So if you solve them simultaneously, you must be able to get the values of a and b. I hope I have given you a satisfactory solution to this problem.